Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. Summer can be very challenging for birds as they are very sensitive to heat. In this video, I am going to share how I keep my birds cool and comfortable. In summer, I will change water frequently to keep it fresh and cool. I also give electrolyte solution like electrol to prevent them from getting dehydrated. I try to give as much as possible water-rich fruits and vegetables for my birds, like cucumber, watermelon, apple, muskmelon, orange, pomegranate, and greens. We should make sure that there is proper ventilation in the room and the cage should be kept in this shady place. Basically, the area should be well ventilated. I use fan when there is excess of heat, and exhaust fan is a must if there is no cross ventilation in the room. When it is very hot, birds will try to keep themselves cool by taking a dip in the water. So provide them with shallow water bowls. Mainly avoid overcrowding birds in the cage as this will increase heat in the cage, so keep fewer birds per cage and provide enough of space for proper air circulation inside the cage during summer. During summer, when the temperature is too hot, I don't prefer breeding birds as the bird will become very tired and weak. So for conures and cocktails, I will remove the nest box and give them complete rest. Whereas for showbudgies, this will not work. So I separate male and female and move them to the flight cages. These are the system I use for my birds in summer. Please share your method so that I can also apply for my birds. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe for more bird care tips. Thank you.